Welcome, sailors. Thank you for visiting MastGates.com. Tom Luke speaking. I want to introduce you to the G1 profile, which looks like this. This particular sample is from a Sparcraft S260, and we have two different solutions for mast gates. One, as you see here, is two individual inserts that allow a full use of the inside surface when you're using slides that have a large end and can slide through to give space. Now, when you're using sail slugs, they have smaller diameter. We can use a pop-in insert. It doesn't require any screws or pins to keep it in place. This is an A016 A017 A017S, my favorite because of the rounded ends, and a very popular compression slug, the A117. And the way it works is, well, first we'll remove the individual inserts that are required for larger slides, and this just snaps into place and locks in. And I'll use the smallest slug to show you how strong it holds. I'll pull it in here and pull very tight, and you can see even with the small one it won't pop out through the channel. It just will slide up, slide down. And with the compression slug, what's important is to have a flat surface so this compression plate doesn't catch on anything and it just slides through nice and flush. Thank you for viewing MastGates.com. Tom Luke speaking, the G1 Profile Solution.